I got 5 cheap Temu products to see if they work. First up we have this double-sided tape and it costs around $1. The description says it's transparent, waterproof and super strong. Let's take a closer look and see what it looks like. Okay, this tape feels really sticky. It's clear and pretty thick. Since it's so thick, it doesn't look like there is a lot of tape that you get when buying this. But I don't know, maybe you won't need a lot when using it. I think you could choose from 1 up to 10 meters, if I remember it correctly. I will show a picture of the choices on the screen now. I have seen this tape a lot in different videos, but I have always wondered if it really is as good as they make it seem like. So let's test it out by sticking some items on the wall. I got a few items here to test it with. I will go from the lightest to the heaviest item, so I will start with a frame, then a shelf, and lastly this brick. Let's start with the photo frame. Okay, so it can definitely be able to hold this one up. I'm not surprised yet, since this is the first and the lightest thing we are trying. That's impressive! I tried to stick the tape to this brick, but it didn't work. When I got this tape, it said that it was supposed to be able to stick to all sort of materials like plastic and stone, but it doesn't seem to work on this brick. Instead, I'm going to put this brick on the shelf, while the shelf is taped on the wall. Let's try it out. Wow! Okay, this tape is actually good. Everything is holding up perfectly, but we are not done yet. While recording this video, I noticed that they claim this tape is reusable and washable, and that you can just dry it with a hairdryer, so this is something we have to test. This is a bowl of water, and this is the tape I used to put the frame on the wall. I don't believe this is going to work, but here we go. I could feel the tape getting sticky when drying it. It's more sticky now than when I removed it from the wall. I wonder if I can reuse it. Let's go and find out. Wow, it works! I didn't believe that. Be careful where you put this tape. This is how my wallpaper looks after removing the tape. This tape is strong and can hold quite heavy things. I'm not too sure how long it will last, since I just tried it out. I will use it for a few weeks and make an update video about it. A few other items will be in that video as well. So, if you don't want to miss out on that video, remember to subscribe. I can really recommend this tape, because it's not expensive and can hold a lot of things since it's so sticky. Now, let's check out the next product. Now we got this shoe brush. The price for this is $1. It claims to clean shoes without damaging them, and that it can be filled with soap for easy cleaning. The bristles are soft but firm, and the brush itself is made out of plastic. To be honest, it feels a bit flimsy. But it could be a good product unless the soap just leaks out of the brush without me pushing this button. Let's test it out. I got a dirty pair of sneakers here. Let's see how well it cleans. Before I start cleaning the shoe, I just want to find out how much soap this thing pushes out every time I press the button. As you can see, the soap does not leak, which is a big plus already. So if I just press this button, the soap should pour out. I can see a tiny bit of soap coming out, which is good since you don't want too much soap when cleaning your shoes. Now, let's clean some shoes. I can see dirt coming off, and that's a good sign. I will keep scrubbing for a while. See you later! It hasn't been long, and this is how the shoe turned out. I'm happy with how it turned out, and I can't see any damage on the shoe from the brush. I recommend this shoe brush for anyone who wants to clean their shoes in an easy and effective way. Next we got this hand push whisk. The price for this is $1. It's supposed to make whisking much easier, and just like I mentioned before when showing you the tape, I have seen this product everywhere and I'm curious if it really works. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. It looks pretty simple. I just push down and it spins. And I don't have to press hard for it to spin. It spins a lot when I push it down. In the images there were just pictures of bowls filled with what seems to be eggs. So I will try with just eggs at first, but of course I will have to try it out with something thicker after that. So let's crack some eggs. I only had one egg, and that was not enough to whisk it, so I added some milk, melted butter and cocoa powder so it will be easier to see how well it whisks. I can see that this gets mixed pretty well, even if it takes a bit more time to get perfectly mixed than with just a regular whisk. Maybe this is better for whipped cream. I would still call it fast and easy. Let's try it with something thicker. So, this is a bowl filled with all the ingredients you need to make pancakes. Let's see how well it can mix all this up. I feel it's struggling a bit more than with just eggs, but it was expected. It did what it was supposed to do, but I would not recommend it if you want to use it for something thicker. Considering the low price for it and how well it could mix, I will recommend it for eggs and pancake batter. So this was another great product from Temu. Up next we have a hat or cap shaper, and it's supposed to help you get the perfect curve on your cap's brim. The price for this product is around $2. It looks pretty straightforward, and I guess you just insert the brim in any of these two holes to shape it. So I got this cap I will use to try the product out. It has a slight curve to it already, as you can see, but I would like to shape it a little bit more. The product is made out of plastic, but from what I can feel, it should not break from using it. And if this works, I'm going to be so happy, since the cap always loses its shape after a while. Let's see if it works. I will leave it for a few hours and see if anything has happened. I couldn't see anything telling me how long it will take for it to work when I got this product, so I guess we just wait and see. It has been about 4 hours now, and I'm going to take a look. Oh, okay. It's more curved now. To be honest, I can't remember exactly what it looked like before. So I will show this cap side by side for you, so you can see the before and after. This product is one of the cheapest in this video, and I can for sure recommend it for anyone who wants to shape the brim. And just 4 hours for this result. It's amazing. I don't know why I haven't seen this product anywhere else. So yes, this product absolutely works and it does its job very well. I recommend. Finally, we got this pillow, which actually could be expensive or cheap. It really depends if it works like they say it will or not. The price for it is $24. It's supposed to keep you cool during hot nights and have better support for your neck, back, stomach, and the list goes on. So it claims to do a lot of different things for just one pillow. I will show an image on the screen that shows what the different parts of the pillow are supposed to do. There is no image or description showing how the cooling part of this pillow is supposed to work, which makes me a bit confused. It feels firm and soft, just like other memory foam pillows do. I think it might be thinner than what it looks like in the images. I guess that's all I can say for now, since I haven't tried it out yet. So I will see you in a week, which is just a second for you. Okay, so it has been a week with this pillow. And yes, it is nice to sleep on, but there was absolutely no cooling effect at all, which is very disappointing, because that is what I was most excited about. Also, I could not feel any extra support for my neck than if you compare it to any other memory foam pillow. Sure, the sides on the pillow could be a nice feature for those who are sleeping on their stomach, but I'm not able to do that. Sadly, I can't recommend this product for those looking for a cooling pillow that gives support to your neck, since I could not feel the difference between this and my other pillow. So, there you have it. These products are affordable and most of them actually work. Let's do a quick recap. The double-sided tape held up everything we tried. The whisk made mixing eggs and pancake batter a breeze. The shoe brush cleaned the shoes perfectly. The cap shaper worked great. And the cooling pillow was comfy, but it didn't do what they claimed. If you are looking for some budget-friendly items that get the job done, I highly recommend checking them out. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. And before you go, don't forget to hug your pet, like, comment and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. See you next time on Twilly Tries Things.